Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we just fitted another Ghost 2 Immobiliser on a 2022 diesel Mercedes GLE. How the system works is someone wants to jump in the car, grab the keys or copy the key, try to start it. It will allow them to start the vehicle, but as soon as they put it into gear, if you watch carefully, as soon as I put it into gear, the vehicle will shut down, okay? And then if I try and start it, foot on the brake, it just won't start. So every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, obviously he can start it from the beginning and it runs, but now that I've done an attempted start, it won't start. So without your foot on the brake, make sure you hit the start button so you get your main ignition on, so yellow and red lights. So hit it twice, insert the code which is going to change after the video, so tap, 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 tap. We'll get 2 flashes of the full beam. Maybe I've done it too quick there, so let's just go again. So I'm trying to watch, so 1, 2, 3, 4. If that was the code, I don't think that was. Let's just try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Trying to remember the code now. There's our double flash. Foot on the brake, start it. So typical customer error. Put it into gear to drive it away. Okay. As soon as I turn off the ignition, within 8 seconds the system will arm. So I'll show you that. So it should be about 8 seconds now. Let's just start the vehicle. Vehicle starts, but as soon as I put it into gear, watch again. Vehicle shuts down. So every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, so main ignition on, so yellow and red lights, insert the code. We'll get 2 full beam flashes inside. Done that obviously too quick. Got the code wrong again, sorry, correction. So tap, 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 tap. I think I'm trying to remember it now. Yeah, which one? There's our double flash, and now I want to place it in value mode. So if I hit the driver's window up 5 times after inserting the authorized code, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait for our 5 flashes, handshake. There's our 5 flashes. Turn the start button off. I'll leave it for about 10 seconds and then try and start it. You'll see the vehicle will start and it won't immobilise. Vehicle starts, place it into gear. Vehicle's running. Okay, characteristics of the Ghost 2 Immobiliser. If the valeter or the mechanic was to go over 30 mile an hour for 15 minutes solid, it will jump out of value mode and will need the code. If they've done 100 mile an hour for 14 minutes and 59 seconds and stopped, it'll be fine. Or 32 mile an hour for 16 seconds, it will jump out. Okay, when it gets the vehicle back, main ignition on, so yellow and red lights on, so double tap, insert the code, if that's what it was, so tap, 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 tap. Wait for our double flash. There's our double flash. System is now at valid mode, so if I start it, place it into gear, vehicle runs, turn it off, give it about 10 seconds, should be about 10 seconds, put it into gear, system switches off, okay? As I said, this is the Ghost 2 Immobiliser. If you want to get one of these fitted, 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you for watching, bye bye.